First one ball rockets, you did the math. Alright, stop juggling. Let's take a look at what we got. Got these right here. Handmade frag grenade. The overview of what these look like. Yeah, this one's gonna be the best one right here.
He's going in there and telling them.
Tell them everything.
It's like, hello, I'm videotaping it for a reason.
Here we go. Jack's not scared, but he will be.
I ain't
He's
scared
curled
yet.
up right beside the couch.
Alright, let's do this. Right.
Y'all get ready. Wesley, don't get in my way. I'm videotaping it.
Move anyway. Now come this way. One already hit you.
Take you to rob a bank.
What are you doing? You say light them on? We got a lot of all these. That wasn't.
I thought that was a firework. Aluminum can.
I didn't know what I was calling him.
The light's on. You can get it big.
Cut off them lights. I'm trying to sleep. Just not cook. Yeah. Got a hole in the side.
You notice every time one more they go thunder.
The thunder just doesn't like our fireworks.
Yeah, the sword. The sword. Upstairs. Move it. I got a better idea.
I don't know what they're doing.
Right there under the porch. You can get that, pull the end off of it, stick the Roman candle in it, stop the end back over and hold it. Two lighters. Two lighters? Yep. You want lighters or just
They're putting Roman candles on there.
Candles. I'm good.
You can put that on the ground, Ben.
What is it doing? Doing Roman candles?
Go. What happened? That's like when.
No, they're lighting up.
As long as it don't fall. Yeah, it's almost paper to set it on the wood. Yeah. Go running through it, Ben. Throw the other ones in. Wes, did you run inside? Yeah, seriously. Me? Just a little. Don't do that, Tom. There's a little one who wants it. Hang on.
Are they loading that in there? Or?
Oh.
What is that, the disco
Here,
thing?
that one, ain't nothing. Alright, who's shooting this? Are you sure it's an artillery shell? You said it ain't nothing.
It ain't nothing. It's coming after Seth.
Black can, other can.
That's that thing that almost hit Cook's car.
No, that is.
Showers of sparks.
That one just flew over the house.
These would be awesome to put down in that little one.
I think they're after Seth. I think they're after Seth.
Chalk it. Hold it. Me? Hold on. Oh, you gotta hold it long enough for me to light it, and I'll hold it. Oh! Hit the ball! Oh! I know. Yeah, be like, Tyler.
Yeah, the Shaun of Liberty.
The Shaun of Liberty.
That's a lighter. I'm not gonna lie. Hold on. Statue of Liberty in Prague, yeah. Right here.
Giggity giggity, boy. I get away from the house.
Oh, say, can you see? Hey, Sean, don't do it by my roof, boy. You'll be climbing up there putting the fire out.
There's so many smoke rings up there, it's not even funny.
Oh.
Anything else?
Is that the disco thing?
A giant sparkler.
Giant sparkler, yeah.
They say everything's bigger in Texas.
This is how hillbillies do it on the 4th of July.
We don't use bottle rockets, we use...
You light something on fire and it turns into a dog herd.
It does look like a dog turd.
It looks like crap.
One too. My foot's getting hot.
You know these blow up, right?
No, they don't.
Yeah, they do.
No.
Move!
They burst into flames after like 5 minutes and turn into dog crap.
I would kill for a brown paper sack.
Now that's what they do.
I could always on plastic sacks too, but...
Are they supposed to be neon? Because I don't see anything.
Glow in the dark, my butt.
They're glowing alright.
I guess that means the fire goes on long.
I guess the fire glows.
What are they shooting at?
No? You think they mislabeled the packages?
No, I ain't calling it.
Nah.
Alright, what else we got?
We got a lot of stuff over there.
These little things. All these. Turn the other wings down the pipe.
I'm going to put one person will like both of them.
There's one of them.
And I'm going to want my hat this time too.
Being just on the lighter.
Yeah.
Get ready, homie.
That's a vision. There's a white like you. Come here.
Somebody do the color snake. There's one on both ends.
I think, let's see, it's not.
Who's gonna light them?
From the other side.
Well, we gotta get rid of them sometime.
There's 2 lighters.
Ready?
Hold on, wait. Wait, never mind, just don't wait.
You ready?
I'm gonna get my camera ready.
Hang on.
I'd stand behind it.
We got 2 of these things on each side, one on each side. Go. Lift.
Oh, it did it at the same time.
That's it. Is there
I don't know. They're lighting something. I don't know if they're lighting though. Ben, what are you doing?
I think that's not lighting.
It's not lighting, it's
Lift.
fireworks.
That's me. Oh yeah, those artillery shells, they spin and go up. Things we call artillery shells. I just lit one over there on the skateboard.
Well, isn't that smart? Match your skateboard up.
And my skateboard.
Look at the bottom.